you going to drive through here?
Looks like it. Put my lights on. Yeah. Is it wide enough? Wasn't expecting this. What the hell is this?
Well, you can tell that there are some cars been driving because look.
Yeah, there's wheel marks.
Oh wow, look at this.
I bet I'm not the first person to struggle to find it though. Have to go over a little bridge to get to it. Wet and Mill Tea Rooms. I've found it. Yay! Nice little tea rooms. We shall be having lunch or something there. Or breakfast or something. But I've brought breakfast. I'm not sure how I get in.
Manifold.
Fold outside. Right. I was supposed to arrive at 6:30ish, but I'm just here. Yes. Yeah.
Well, can you see the house?
I can. Yes.
Yes, that's it then. Okay.
I can see a tractor and
Oh yeah, that's it. You're there. Okay.
a lawnmower or something. Right. Lovely.
Thank you. Thanks. Bye.
Good morning guys, wala tayong suklay. Maupay nga aga, iyo nga tanan, maupay nga udto nga kulop adi kami ha. Manifold Valley. Did you say this belongs in Derbyshire?
I think we're in Derbyshire, but it could be in Staffordshire.
Staffordshire or
Near the border.
Derbyshire. So pupunta kami sa
I think it's still Derbyshire.
Derbyshire.
Because
Kalimutan ko
remember
yung
when we were in
lahis.
Mapleton on the first trip last year in Seagull, we got to that road where it said Derbyshire on one side, we just went like that and in
Yeah.
Staffordshire.
Okay, yeah. I remember that. So may nakasalubong kami nga is dalawang grupo naglalakad. Pabalik na sila, siguro maaga pa sila pumunta doon sa pupuntahan namin. What is the name again of where we're going?
Where?
Where we're going?
Thor's Cave.
Huh?
We're going to Thor's Cave.
Thor's Cave. Cueva. Thor's na Cueva. So, man, maglalakad tayo ng, sabi ni David, short walk pero mahaba.
Yeah.
Short walk pero mahaba.
Famous short walk which lasts about 8 hours.
Tingnan natin kasi pag malalaman, we will know if it's a long walk because paperwork.
Pepper's brakes will go on.
Kaya may dala si David na pag yan. Oh.
Look,
Yan.
don't carry him back.
Bumili si David para kay Pepper yan. Kasi si Pepper hindi na naglalakad ng malayo. Ayan. So, kita-kita tayo doon. Oops. Oops. So, ayan yung nilalakaran natin. Ayan. Tahimik. Doon tayo nang galing. Oh. Yan yung river. River Valley? River Valley. We have I thought this is a plant. Because Amanda given this to me like this. Do you know that Amanda have given to me? It looks like this. Hazel tree. Ayan, pareho yung binigay sa akin ng kaibigan ko nandoon sa garden. Ah, it might be like this one. Goes big. This one, this one. Ito. Parang yung nasa garden yung binigay sa akin ng kaibigan ko. Kaibigan namin sa yan. Kita-kita tayo doon sa ano pupunta namin. Bye for now. So yan guys, nandoon. Yun. Hindi na masyadong nakikita. Basta yun yung ano doon, maraming tao doon. Doon kami pupunta sa kuweba na yan. So yan guys, doon tayo pupunta sa taas na yan. Sa yun. Yun naman. Ayun, yun doon. Doon. Ayun, doon. Doon. So doon tayo pupunta. Ang daming ang tao. Ayan. Kaya mag-video tayo doon sa taas. Bye for now. So yan po ang information. The Thor's Cave in the Peak District. Dito ulit tayo sa Peak District.
Just beware of the bears.
Oh my goodness. So,
No, not really.
Oh, okay, that's cool. We go that way then.
so yan, naakyat kami dyan. Nasa halfway na yata kami. Mahangin. So maraming ano, galing doon sa taas. Ayan. Pepper at Pina. Ayan. So, punta na tayo sa taas. Ayun, nandito na tayo sa taas. Ayan. Nandito na tayo sa taas ng sa loob ng kuweba. Ayan. Ayun si David. Papasok doon sa ano. Ang daming nandito kasi ano sa Saturday. Guys, nandito na tayo sa taas. Nandun kami sa pinakatutok kung saan yung may mga tao. Hindi ako makapatuloy kasi ako maghapon. Sa... Ang ganda dito. Grabe. Ganda oh. Mahangin lang. Sorry? Simbahan doon. Ano? Yung Methodist. Ayun guys. Okay, let's go. Okay. There you are, bababa na tayo. Bababa tayo, pupunta doon. Ayan, okay, bye for now. Hi everyone! Nakabalik na po kami sa campsite. Ayan si David, si Pepper, tulog na tulog. Andun naman si Peanut, tulog din. Tapos tahimik pa yung campsite, lalo na dito sa aming kapitbahay kasi may mga bata. 4 maliliit. Pag dumating yan mamaya maingay yan. So ito yung campsite, ang ganda. And that's my, ayan. That's my toilet. Ayun, yung tatlong ano doon, toilet yan, unisex lang. Tapos, yan, tahimik. Tapos may yung ribbon handle, kung nararinig niyo. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.